Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If the video is helpful, give it a very big thumbs up and also comment down. You can as well share the video with your friends. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to do a full sewing without any glue or any closure. So if you want to know how I achieve this hairstyle, please don't go away. Stay to the last part of the video. I started from the beginning. I did this because of beginners, in case you want to learn from the beginning. So I started by weaving in the hair into the pattern which I want, where I want the pattern to lay in. So, and I'm going to go for a side pattern on this sewing. So after which I'm going to start sewing in the hair. The hair I used for this video is Daniela. It's a synthetic hair. So I've already used it before, but I have to reuse it again just to show you guys how to make this style of hair. For the closing, I'll be using a single thread for the closing. That's why I cut the one I was using before. So I'm going to use a single thread to do the closing so that the thread will not show on top of it after you finish sewing it in. So I'll be going in with a single thread. I'll pick the other side, each part of the weft, and sew it together, just as I'm doing on the video. This is how I'm going to do it till I reach the end, though I still run the thread back again to make it strong so that it won't loosen up. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down anything you want me to put out, and I'll also appreciate it, and I'll as well do it for you. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.